Big breaking news that's coming in. The Delhi court has refused to provide any relief to Navneet Kalra. He is the main accused in the oxygen black marketing case. The anticipatory bail plea that was filed by Navneet Kalra has been dismissed by the court. Remember that he is still absconding. The crime branch, which is now investigating this massive racket that was being run in Delhi's plush Khan market, is currently on the lookout for Navneet Kalra. There is already a formal lookout notice that's also been issued against him. His legal team had argued in court that there was no illegality in the purchase of these auto concentrators and said that they were judges, police personnel, politicians who were purchasing these concentrators from Navneet Kalra. This argument, however, hasn't really cut eyes with the court, and his anticipatory bail plea has been dismissed. Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details on this. So, Anisha, no relief for Navneet Kalra. His anticipatory bail plea has been shot down, which means that the crime branch, if they can find him, he's currently absconding, he can be arrested.
Well, yes, Akshita, the court has very clearly said that the anticipatory bail plea has been dismissed. Yesterday, during arguments, the prosecutor was very clear when he was arguing about Kalra's bail petition. According to the police, Kalra is the main conspirator and the main beneficiary of this oxygen concentrator hoarding. All evidence that the police was arguing on the basis of was with regard to conversations made by Kalra on WhatsApp groups. They've also alleged that he has remained absconding, and he's a very influential person who could influence the witnesses as well as lead to evidence being destroyed. And the police was very clear that they want his custodial interrogation because they're still looking into how many people were these oxygen concentrators sold to and what other issues could crop up, because the police has said that while they have seen at least in 3 instances that concentrators were sold at beyond MRP, they also have allegations that these concentrators were not of a good quality, and therefore they've filed this cheating FIR, and the FIR also includes provisions of the Essential Commodities Act. So, while Kalra's lawyers yesterday had argued that if he is given anticipatory bail, he will join the investigation within 2 hours, the court has not accepted this argument and denied an anticipatory bail plea. So if Kalra is now found, he can be arrested.
All right, Anisha, thank you for joining us with that update. Now, at a time when COVID patients